What's up guys, welcome to the next video in C++. Today we're gonna see what is a character escape sequences, and we also refer to that as backslash character constants. Alright, so what is character escape sequences? Escape sequences are for string literals. So far in string literals we've seen the n, backslash n, new line. We from the beginning, we always, from the hello world, if you guys remember, we use this backslash n and we jump to the new line, and this is the whole backslashes which are in C++. Just to motivate you guys, I'm gonna use this backslash a, and what's the backslash a this gonna do is that's gonna rings a bell. So we go there and use this C out. We're gonna do C out. This program run without bell noise. Alright, so our program is gonna run without bell noise, and we're gonna use this backslash n. Alright, so I forgot to put this line break. Alright, so you guys see that there is no noise coming from the computer, and this program runs without the bell noise. Alright, so and now we're going to see this program runs with bell noise. Alright, so we're gonna say backslash a. That was backslash a, I believe. Backslash a. So it's gonna run with the bell noise. See, as you guys can hear, I'll put the volume a little bit up. Okay, so you guys can hear the noise. You guys can do your computer, whatever your system noise is, it's going to output that noise. Alright, so that's the bell noise. And the next one is we're going to play around with this n if you guys want. So say you guys can put another C out. You guys can put a 1. We use backslash n. Alright, so I'm copy with the control C, and I'm gonna paste it with control V, and we're gonna do 2, and then okay, I'm gonna write it. It's a lot easier for me to write because it's only short string literal. 3, we do backslash n, C out 4, backslash n, and C out 5, backslash n, and we do backslash a. See what happens. Alright, okay, so I forgot to put again line break. Yeah, so you guys can hear that it says 1 2 3 4 5, because every time we use backslash n it jumps to the and prints to the next line, so it's going to keep on going next line. Alright, so like we say, we are not going to use all, we use n, we use a. This is a single quote. Single quote is character literal. You guys, it's very rare that you guys use this character, because we always use this string literal, and we don't use this character literal because at the old computers, like I said, it was 4-bit, 8-bit, and the challenge was to print a single line, just a single word inside the computer. And as computers went from the stages and 4 to 8 and then 16 and then 32 and now 64 bits, they use something called a string. String is array of characters, so it's not a one character, it's array of characters. And for that one we use a string literal. So for the string literal you guys use like for the quotes, like if I want to use this one, say here, I'm gonna get rid of these things. Alright, so say the string, you guys can say that you guys can put your name, or you guys can quote something for double quote. Say he went to the farm and he said, and I quote, he said that he fed the cows. Just a story, or you guys can make up any story. All right, so if you use another line here, as you guys can see, here that there is a, if you can see that there is this blue line here and I've got a red line. It means C++ is giving me error, because what C++ is looking as double quotes here, double quotes here, and double quotes here. So if I do that, it's giving me error. It's gonna say no, I'm not gonna go ahead. So what we do to get rid of this is we use this backslash. So if you put a backslash, you guys can see, and we use another backslash here to make it in a quote. So yeah, so you guys can see, I'll make up again, cout double n backslash n, sorry, backslash n. Alright, so to make it a little bit sorry, cout forgot that. Alright, so as you guys can see, my when I execute it, rings a bell and it says he went to the farm and he said, and there is a double quote here, that he fed the cows. Or you can do any other things. You can put your name, and as long as you guys, if you guys encounter this and the computer is not going to go ahead, just immediately you guys put this backslash double quote. But the computer is going to ignore this, and the computer is going to see that, look, this is not this one is to string literal, this is just a quote for just to say any story of you guys want to writing any string or anything. Yeah, so you guys can put another one, says just to say someone's got that many children, and the first children, you know, and what he said or she said or whatever, you know. So that's for that one. So for the last thing, we gonna use this little pattern if you guys want. So what we do, and this vertical tab and backspace backslash f, and this one question marks, these things we hardly use, you know, for any other things. But what we use with this backslash n, and if you guys want to use this backslash a with a single quote, we use this double quote, backslash double quote all the time, so you guys can play around. Alright, so we do the cout. Alright, so I forgot that one again. So what we do is we do star n. So we do star n. Let's see what's the star n. Okay, so the star n is here. So how about we use 2 star n? and I'm gonna put a 3-star in, and I'm gonna put a 4-star in, and 5-star in. Alright, so we go and check. As you guys can see, we did not put an N here. That's what's not showing. Okay, you guys can see that's our first star, then the second star, and jumping to the new line. Every time we putting star, it's keep going ahead with the new lines. So you guys can put a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stars, and like that. Or if you guys wants let's see, this one, there are a few stars here. Yep. Alright, so ring bell noise. Okay, so we go and say int student 1, because we want to find the student 1 students ages, like student 1, student 2, student 3, our roll numbers, or you guys can do anything. Say student, we're gonna put an age, so we'll put a student, okay, S, we put a S1, student 2, and student 3. Okay, so now enter student 1 age. All right, so that's student 1, and we do C in, we're gonna take the value of S1. We're gonna repeat few times all of them till we get all the students ages, because I'm gonna copy and paste student 2 age. Alright, so we do S2, and we're gonna do student 3 age. So we're gonna take 3 students ages, student 3 age, and we do S3, and I'm gonna put a double colon here to make it look awesome. Alright, so we're gonna say C out. Now we're gonna do C out. Alright, first, to begin with, we're gonna ring a bell, like we learned that in a previous just at the beginning. We're doing a we're gonna make it in character literal. Alright, so now student 1, we do student 1 age is, so we do student 1 age. Okay, S1. Alright, so now we use a T. We use a T. As you guys can see here, we want to print the student ages in horizontal lines. I just want to show you guys this one right here. So we're going to use T. Student 2 age. Alright, age is S2, and we're gonna use that tab again to make it horizontal. Horizontal. Student 3 age is okay. So we're gonna show the value of S3, and we do that tab, sorry. Okay, so we're coming here and we do the tab, and then we do n. Okay, so now we're gonna show the value. So what we've done is that we're going to ring a bell. We are going to take 3 students, S1, S2 and 3. We're going to take the S1 value, we're going to take the S2 value, we're going to take the S3, and finally we're going to ring a bell first to begin with, and we're going to put a student 1 age. We're going to display student 1, and we use tab, and we're going to do student 2 ages, and then we're going to display the student 2 the value, and then we tab again. Then we're going to use the student student 3, and we're going to S3, and then we're going to tab it, and then we go jump to the next line and we return our program. All right. Student 1 age says 23, student 2 age is 33, and student 3 age is say 21. All right, as you guys can see, we displayed all the student ages in one line. So student 1 age is 23, student 2 age is 33, and student 3 age is 21. So that's how this tab thing work, this tab. So I'll show you guys this one, and plus this one, and the tab 1. So you guys now got a fair bit of idea how these things work. So we've done student 1, student 2 and student 3 ages, and we go all in horizontal line with the help of this \t. You guys can see here. That's it for this video. If you guys got any question, just leave a comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.